Welcome back. It's Fabulous TT. So I'm bringing you a video. This is a 10-minute fast makeup video for you guys. So go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, be a part of the TT Squad. So I want to show you guys all the goodies I got that I'm doing for 10 minutes. So I have this. This is highlighter, my eyebrow brush, my eyelash brush, my eyeliner from Glossier, my boy brow, which is to make the eyebrows look good, my cloud paint cheek blush, and my face mist, and some Q-tips, and some Neutrogena face wipes. So let's go ahead and get started by cleaning my face. So I got Neutrogena face wipes. You can get these at your local store. So you always want to make sure your face is clean before you put on makeup products. And these are the best because it gets all the makeup off. So, and it smells really good too. And it's smooth. You get everything off, even if you got eyeliner on. And doesn't break you out or anything, so that's a good thing. And then normally I use like a face towel to, like, you know, dry it off really good, so we don't have, like, you know, makeup that's starting to be watery. I hate that. But I really like this 10-minute makeup, you know, tutorial I do, because it's quick, easy, and a fun look. So first thing I do, I put on my highlighter. This is from Glossier. It's in my what's up in my makeup bag Glossier video. So if you didn't take a look at that, go ahead, take a look at it. So I put it up here above my cheek line, underneath my eye, like that. Then I put it on my chin and put it above my lips. And then you put it on your nose to contour it. Then you can put a little bit on your forehead just to give you that glow. And then I'll put it underneath my eyebrows a little bit. And that's all you need. Just that little bit is going to make your face glow. And then I go ahead and put on the cheek blush from Glossier. Oops, sorry. This is in the color Eve, and this is in the color Topaz. Sorry, guys. And I like this blush because it's like, it's creamy and it's real. You just apply it with your fingertips. So, and hopefully I don't make the color come out fast, or when I did. So a little bit goes a long way. Let me put my hair back, guys. You don't want to get makeup in your hair. So you just put it above your cheek. On your cheek, not above it. You spread it around. And see, you see how pigmented that is? Like, and I really didn't need that much. But like I said, you can use a little bit. And the color is rich and deep. Now they have 8 more other colors. They got, you know, from light to all the way dark. This is the darkest cheek color they have in Glossier. You just rub this in on that side. And once I get done with that, I will go ahead and rub in my highlighter. I just like to do the blush first because I don't want to mix them two together. So, all right. So I'm glad I got this wipe here to wipe my fingers. And then we're gonna go ahead and mix in the highlighter. I love a good highlighter because if you don't want to put foundation on, this will, you know, make up for the foundation. And it does with me because I don't like to put foundation on every day. You just rub that in. And normally, if I didn't put enough on my nose, I put more, but it's perfect today. I was able to get it perfect for you guys. Just keep rubbing it, blending, 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 blending. And then do my eyebrows. Okay, so that's it for that. Then I go in with my Anastasia brow brush, and I'm gonna brush these brows up. Excuse my brows, I need a wax, but I want to show you guys how to make it look good. You don't have the time to go get the wax done. Anastasia. And this was $22 at the Ultra Beauty store. So, real, you know, it's not pricey at all. So I just normally brush up my brows like that to try to give it a look. And then I outline it. And see, it looks like I got arch eyebrows at Finest. Okay, I brush this one up and outline it. And that's it. That was easy, wasn't it? Okay, and then the next step I do will be to the boy brow. Now this is from Glossier. This to keep the hairs from going everywhere is, you know, basically golden. And it's in the color clear. It looks white, but it's clear. It's gonna go clear on. Because I don't like to use the color ones because I get eyebrow tint. When I get my eyebrows waxed, I get a tint on it. So I don't wanna put more color on it and make it look black. Cause that's not what we do in 2021. So you just put that on and it dries up clear. It goes on white and then it dries up clear. Just keep everything in place. You see the difference? It's a difference. Oh yeah. Y'all need to go get that boy brow from Glossier. Go on their website. And do this eyebrow. And now I got 2 perfect eyebrows. Then I have my Pro Tip Glossier. Now this is my favorite eyeliner, like, because I mean, look at this, like, it glides on. It glides on. You don't have to keep going over it like how you do an eyebrow pencil. You don't have to do this with this. You just put it on and see how smooth. And if you get it in your eye, it doesn't burn or nothing. Like, you see how smooth I put that on? Like, I love that about that. I'm about to get me another one because I just love this. And you can also get this on the Glossier website too. And see, you just make your eyes pop. Yes. Okay, the last, well, almost to the last step will be, I'm gonna brush my eyelashes and then I'm gonna do the face mist. So I'm brushing my eyelashes now. Ooh, I'm sorry about that. My appointment is coming up to get my eyelashes filled in, but yeah, you just brush them in, and that's all you need to do. And then the last step, this is Glossier Smoothing Face Mist. It's not a makeup, it's not a setting makeup spray. It can be, but it's not. It's just a face mist to make your face smell good. It smells like rose water, guys. And that's it. So y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And I gotta get some lip gloss. Hold on 1 second. And this is also from Glossier. And I need to order some more, y'all, because I'm running out. Look. Y'all know this is my favorite. It's Red Rouge. So, and it tints your lips like it's a lip stick. Give me 1 second. Okay, so I'm going to get my other lip gloss. This is the cherrylipbalm.com from Glossier. Sorry, guys, I couldn't open my lip gloss because that junk be sticking on its own, and it opens up with it on its own. But this is the color, and I also have this product in my makeup bag, Glossier. If you want to take a look at that video, go ahead. But this really tints my lips, like. See? Y'all see that tint? And that's it. So that, it didn't even take 10 minutes. That was like 5 minutes. So, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.